This is the Keychron V6 Max. The Keychron V6 Max is a full-size, hot-swappable mechanical keyboard offering a solid typing experience, versatility, and impressive customization options. It offers both Bluetooth and USB-C wired connectivity. It also comes with Type-C and Type-A receivers. The V6 Max is compatible with both macOS and Windows, with an easy toggle to switch between layouts. It features a programmable knob that you can press and turn. It's perfect for controlling volume, skipping tracks, or adjusting screen brightness. But you can get creative too. Maybe you want it to zoom in and out or switch between different workspaces. It's all up to you. Personally, I opted for the one with brown switches. It produces a soft thunk sound, which is quieter than the clicking sound of other switches, yet still offers satisfying tactile feedback.